Hey guys, it's Jan, Not a Real Farm. So we are going to check now the boiler. It's pretty much 48 hours after the last time I did the video, and we haven't filled it up since. So we're going to take a quick peek and see how much wood we have left, or even if we have to fill it. But this is pretty good that it's been burning this long without being checked. Let's see. Ooh. Wow. It's actually still burning kind of nice. All right. Looks like we're going to have to fill it. So give us some info.
What info do you want?
Well, it's been what, 48 hours?
48 hours? Yep. Since we filled her last.
Okay.
Huh. And smoky.
All right.
What's so funny?
Well, you know, it got kind of smoky there for a minute. Okay, so we're going to fill her up.
I cut the log smaller because, oh my God.
Getting too heavy to chuck her in?
Too heavy.
Yeah. Let's see. Wow.
So I got specific instructions not to go chitter chatter while she's videoing. I just stopped the video.
Informational purposes only.
Yes, it's informational. You're high maintenance. Hold this. Oh, time to be quiet. She's videoing. Silence. Nobody talk.
Thank you.
We're not talking?
Yep.
When I'm done with this, I'm not going to fill it up for another 2 days.
Another 2 days? Okay.
Actually, to be quite honest, I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just going to leave it. Maybe stir it around.
Mm-hmm. Do you find it efficient so far?
I don't know how to answer that.
Okay.
But yes, for what it's actually doing and how much it's heating, yes.
Okay.
And it's got the capabilities of heating a whole lot more. I might push it for 3 days.
72? Try and do it for 72 hours? Okay.
So I'm trying to fill this up as high as I can.
Yep.
But I can't get close no more. Breathing too much.
Smoky. Yep.
I can't see nothing.
I can't see nothing. Hey guys, so I stopped the video earlier and I just wanted you to see what we see when we come out at night. If we need to look at the boiler, and it's lightly snowing right about now. And I did this mostly just because I wanted you guys to be able to see what the fire looks like at night when we open up the door. We got our nice little light on, which helps us see. When it's really dark, it actually illuminates the entire area, which is kind of nice because you can actually see what you're doing if you have to come out late at night and look at something. And now we're going to open up the door and see what it looks like. So we said 48 hours, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so we've opened it up and it's just smoking really nicely. Wow. Can you see? There we go.
We filled it right up today, right?
Yep.
You can't see any of it.
Okay, let's see. She's full. Yeah, no, it's good.
I just opened it up for you to see.
Yep, I'm gonna look at it, take a peek at the flame so everybody can see that. It's burning nicely under there. So in terms of the warmth of the house and what we're receiving in the house for warmth, do you find that it's worth it?
100%.
Okay. Let's take a look at the temperature. Awesome. Oh, so it's doing okay being stoked. Right on. That's it for us today, guys. We just wanted to do a follow-up video just to show you that we filled up the stove. And now we're not going to check it until, you said, Saturday?
Probably.
Okay. Excellent. See you guys soon.